another one down there. Squirrels everywhere in that tree. Yep. Can't really zoom in because they move around so fast. Yeah, I know. You don't know what to think of all these roosters. There's 15 roosters at least. I counted 15 in my yard. Came on Monday night and they were all, well, several were roosting on the fence. I'm like, where'd you guys come from? One was sitting on the overhang, or the carport overhang, like, okay, how'd you get up there? I thought maybe somebody didn't put their chickens in, but no. There's just 15 roosters. There's no hens. There's just roosters. So that means somebody dumped them in my yard. Most likely. Because if they belong to somebody on the street, they'd be in their yard. One of them. So that means they got dumped here. I think she was dumped, honestly. We had another really pretty Rhode Island red that was dumped, I believe, because she just suddenly showed up and she acted like she was a queen. And she never laid anything. So that means she was past her laying days. Must have been a pet, because she kept coming in the house. Acting like she should be, with people all the time. So somebody didn't have the heart to, well, they didn't want to keep her, but they didn't have the heart to, I don't know, so they just dumped her. I'm sure. And that's probably what happened with these guys. They all get along. Apparently. So trying to follow the squirrel activity going on up here. Hey, Henrietta. Henrietta's been crowing a lot. It's an interesting day in the neighborhood. She's sticking close by me. She did before, but now she, all these roosters, like, yep. It's a conglomeration of squirrels. Anyway.